Hi, welcome to the Novel Suite video tutorial series, created to help you get the most out of Novel Suite. In this video, we're working with the image library. Let's give it a go.
A library of images helps bring your fictional world to life. Select Image Library from the menu on the left side, then click Add Images from the drop-down menu. Or you can select the Image Library module from the home page. Select Add Image from the top right corner. Then click Upload Image and select the image from your computer or device you wish to upload. Title the image, select a category if desired. From the drop-down list, select the book to which the image refers. Then click Save Changes. The image now appears in your list of images. You can select a book or a category from the drop-down list to sort these images by project.
Thank you so much for watching, and check out our other tutorials if you want to learn even more about how to use Novel Suite.